welcome to Junior Chef. Today we're making a fruit pizza.
So your first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're gonna start mixing
It's
up.
already at that.
Yep. Then we're gonna start mixing up our dough, right? Okay.
It's dough. How do you make the dough?
We're gonna make the crust for our pizza.
Oh.
Okay. So we're gonna make a sugar cookie dough. Okay.
I love sugar cookies.
Yeah. Okay. So first.
Remember when we got some from Cam and then I made a letter to him?
Yeah.
That was fun.
Okay. So first we're gonna put the sugar and the butter in our mixer, and we're gonna mix that all up first. Okay. Okay.
Butter first?
Yep. So we need 1 cup of butter,
So
which is already measured out there.
all of
Yep.
it?
Yep.
All of it? Wow.
Nice.
It's called a butter knife, so.
Okay.
So I guess
Hello.
this.
Okay. Then we'll add a cup of sugar.
All of it?
Yep.
Wow, this sure is gonna be sweet. I guess it is because it is sugar cookie dough.
Right. Okay, so we're gonna put our mixer down, and we'll start mixing the butter and the sugar together to cream it. Okay. All right. So set it to about a medium speed.
What is
About 4.
so four?
Yep. We're gonna let that mix all up. About a minute. Can you count?
60.
Perfect. Turn it off.
All the way back.
Does it all look mixed together? So next, we're going to add our eggs. So can you crack an egg into this little bowl here?
Last time I didn't do so well.
It's gonna be right over top of them.
I think it's good. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that was good.
Put it in there.
Oh, I see a shell. I see a shell.
Hey, get the shell open. Get it?
Pretty hard because.
Keep moving.
Oh, yep. I thought I had it. I was like, oh, it's in the yolk. It's in the yolk and stuff.
Okay.
We already mixed some stuff.
Mhm.
Oh, that's.
Okay. So then at the same time, we're
Oh
also.
my god!
It's okay.
Oh my god!
So then we're
That
also
looks like so weird.
we're also gonna add our vanilla. So we need a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay.
Just be careful because if you get it too much, it will spill all over the place.
So
You
pour
should
that
have.
in here.
You really should have done it over the bowl in case some vanilla
That's
gets in there.
true. That would have been better, right?
Yeah, because if you get too much, you could always put it in the bowl.
That's right. Now we're just gonna wash this off quick.
We could use this one.
And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Can I have the butter knife? Just gotta flatten it.
So add that one in.
Can I put this up?
Yeah, sure. Now another one.
Can I please put it up?
Not right now.
Okay.
Use the bottom part of that knife. Perfect.
Oh, that looks so
That
good.
worked better, eh?
Yeah, that's probably how you do it.
Okay, so put that one in.
Yeah, that's gonna not work.
And then we're also gonna add,
Mom, I need some help. Like it isn't really.
just
coming
bang it
out.
on the edge. There you go. Alright, and we also need half a teaspoon of salt. It's okay.
Well, it wasn't
Alright.
actually exactly
That's okay.
half.
So now
So
we,
it's actually a bit okay because some fell out because
That's
it
okay.
wasn't exactly half.
okay, can you mix up that again?
What number?
About the same as last time.
4?
So now we need to add 3 cups of sugar, and we're going to put them in one at a time. Okay, so put one in, and then we're going to mix again.
Can I please scrape that off?
That's
Because
okay for now.
It's like blocking the way. Well, it's on the way.
Okay.
Try and do it on that side, didn't it? This time.
So then put that down and mix that part all up again, okay?
But we didn't put 3 in.
We need to put them in individually and then mix it in between, okay?
Oh, okay.
So mix that part for now.
4?
Yep.
Oh my god. It's like it's
This one we might need to start at 2 before we add the next one, okay?
yeah. Because like it was like a flower tornado. Like flower was like rising out, like the smoke kind of part was like rising out like a tornado.
Yeah. Okay, so we can turn that off.
I actually turned
Okay.
it to 4 and then turned
Okay,
it
add another one.
because I didn't.
So lift this up first.
Okay, this is hard.
Oh.
Sorry. Keep having accidents. Can I just...
No, just leave it. Just
Okay.
leave it. Put
Can
it
I
back
put it
down on
back?
the table. No.
Yeah. So that's about as much as I
Yeah.
spilled. Wow. I did actually spill a lot.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mom.
So put that down and mix it again.
I'm sorry,
And
Mom.
we'll clean this up, okay?
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay.
Wait, did we already put 2?
Yep.
Or is there one more?
There's one more. Okay, so one more.
Can I do it this time?
No, do this part.
I want to do the scraping part.
Okay, you just work it. Okay. Good. Okay.
Wait.
Push that up one more time. Try and add it over on that side at least. There you go. Yep.
If I spilt it, like, jeez, I would put it right over there.
Alright,
Just
so mix
going-
that last little bit up, okay?
That'd be bad. It wouldn't even be on my chair, maybe.
Mix the last bit up into our dough, okay?
Then can I scrape all this stuff that's on
At the very end, yep.
4? Wait, no.
2 for now, and
Well, it's kind of bad. Tell me when you go to 4, okay?
okay, now go to 4. Okay, you can probably turn that off now.
It's kind of scaring you.
Yeah.
It was kind of gonna, like, get out.
Alright, so here's this.
Ugh.
And you can knock this off
Yeah, that's
now. Woo! Okay, knock it off. Try and make sure it stays in the bowl.
You did such a lot right there.
Okay, so then we have our pizza pan here. So we're,
I don't know what we're gonna do.
huh?
I don't know what we want to do right now. Sugar cookie dough. Wait, is this the sugar cookie dough?
Yep.
It's kind of like sweet and healthy. Like it's
The
bad
fruits will
and
be-
healthy.
Yeah.
It's bad and healthy because there's a whole bunch of sugar and a whole bunch of fruit.
That's right. Okay, so now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on here and we're gonna press it onto the pan, okay?
Like, are we just gonna? Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me! Why are you doing that?
Why?
Can I do it? Yeah.
I think so. Okay, that's good.
Ah.
Okay, so now we're gonna take this dough and we're gonna push it on with the
Smells
palms
like
of our
soap.
hands,
It
okay?
kind of smells good. Kind of does actually smell good.
Yeah.
What are we gonna put for like the sauce?
It's gonna be like a cream cheese icy kind of sauce.
Oh, so like the icing that you used to make those blueberry strudels.
Kind of.
I remember those. They were actually pretty good. I didn't really like them. Like they weren't my favorite because I don't really like blueberries.
That's okay. Turn this.
But they actually were pretty good.
Yeah.
It actually that pizza is actually looking pretty good. Maybe we should do this for the sauce and then like make a white pizza. Well, icing would be better because then the fruit would stick more.
That's right. Need something to make it stick. Kind of like our pizza sauce, right?
Yeah. The pizza sauce makes all the pepperoni and cheese stick.
So, does that look nice and flat?
Can I do some more? Not in this. It's gonna be.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven, okay?
Okay.
How long do we put it in there for?
About 3 or 2 minutes.
Let's try 15 to 18. Okay?
What? 15 and 18.
So let's do that. And wait until it kind of gets like a.
Can I have a break for that? Yes.
Okay. We'll do that. Okay, so now that our crust is cooling, we're gonna make our sauce. Pizza sauce, right?
Pizza sauce.
Okay.
Pizza sauce. I can do a whole activity.
I know you can. Okay, so let's start by adding 1/2 cup of butter to our bowl.
Just grab it.
Sure. Okay. And then we need to add a brick of cream cheese. Yeah, the whole thing.
Well, that's pretty good. But when you hold it up right here, it knows it doesn't smell like this. It smells a little different.
Okay, let's put that on the bowl.
Okay, I'm gonna break it up a little.
Now we're gonna mix these two things together, okay?
What number?
So to go forward again. Okay, so next we're going to add our vanilla. So we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Noah.
Remember, do it over the bowl.
Pour it in there. Okay, so mix that up a little bit.
1 nice teaspoon.
Yes, sir.
Which number?
Just some.
2.
Alright, so then next we're gonna
Can I
add
turn it up?
2 cups of icing sugar. Yeah, you can turn it up.
Icing sugar?
Icing sugar, yeah.
And
There's 1
it
cup.
looks like actual sugar, but it
Powdered
actually
sugar, right?
it actually looks like flour.
Yeah.
It smells pretty good.
Alright, so we're gonna mix this again. Do it really slow to begin with, or else it'll go flying everywhere.
So at 2 again?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Other cup.
Can I put it in right now?
Just get that all mixed in good. Stop it. Add the next one. Okay, lift this up first.
2 cups.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Was it
Put it down again. Mix it up again.
2.
Yep. As that's mixing, you can add that.
Oh,
So
gee.
we're gonna add a tablespoon of milk. Alright, this looks really good. Let's see.
It sure does.
You gonna scooch back for a sec? Alright. So that's kind of the consistency that you want your cream cheese sauce to be, so it'll
Yeah,
spread
cream
nicely
cheese.
onto your pizza. Okay, so now that our pizza has cooled, we're going to put our frosting on, and then we're gonna put our fruit on top of that. Yeah.
How do we put the frosting on the pizza?
So, can you get me that spatula over there? And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna smooth it out as I put it on, okay?
This is what you sometimes do, right?
Mm-hmm.
You twist it while you're Or you put this on.
Alright. So you think there's enough frosting on there?
Yes.
Yeah? So you might not use all the frosting that you made. You maybe use about 2/3 of it.
Pizzeria. Mommy, pizzeria.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our fruit onto it. So you can use this with any kind of fruit that you guys like. You can use your favorites. We're gonna make ours kind of look like a rainbow. We tried to pick as many different colored fruits as we possibly
You know
could.
what
Okay.
you should have done?
What?
You should have got white stuff for the cloud.
Yeah. So what color starts a rainbow, Noah?
Red.
Red. So let's start with our strawberries then.
Strawberries. Can we do a pattern with
So-
strawberries and raspberries? Wow, that was very good.
Hey, now we got our rainbow pizza. What do you think? You like the fruit more than anything, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's slice this up and have a bite, okay? All right. Thanks for joining us. Hope you guys enjoy. Goodbye.